Lots of frozen peas. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm supposed to be editing right now, but instead I'm gonna clean the fridge. So apparently people like watching cleaning videos, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so let me show you what we're working with. This is the fridge. It is a mess. I think I have more condiments than actual food. But this is a problem. I cannot find anything. I can't get to anything. It's bad. And I don't know if we will have time for the freezer today, but the freezer is not much better. Actually, it's not better at all. Things are just kind of shoved in there willy-nilly. So I'm going to take everything out of the fridge, wipe it down, throw out anything that's expired, and then hopefully at least get some of it organized. Oh my god. Look at all these condiments. And alcohol. Condiments and alcohol. Oh my lord. And let me... See, here's really why I wanted to clean it. Look at that. That is disgusting. I think that is some like... I don't know if it's chocolate syrup or like balsamic vinegar. But that's gross. So we're gonna check the dates on everything we took out and then go from there. Look at all this stuff. Some of these things are like 1.5 to 2 years out of date. That we're keeping though. Okay, look how much better that is. Now I just gotta put everything back. This is finished. It's still really crowded, but hey, everything fits. And it's clean. No more weird sticky spots. Oh, now that that's done, I'm gonna take a break and get a snack because I've been staring at food for the past, like 20 minutes or so. So I will hopefully continue work on this today, or I might see you in a day or so. So I went, got some food, had a snack, and now I've been sitting in a food coma on the couch for the past 45 minutes scrolling through my phone. I really don't want to do any more cleaning, but like it's like 3:30 and I feel like I've done nothing today. I mean, I did a lot today, but like not recording YouTube-y stuff. All I want is a nap. But we're gonna keep cleaning the fridge. So I'm gonna move the camera to where you can see, hopefully, and start. I think I'll do like one shelf at a time, maybe? I don't know. I gotta take everything out. Maybe I should buy some storage cubes. My kitchen is small, so this is the best you're getting. Okay. Ew, this should not be in there. Why do I have two? This has been in here for 3 weeks. I'm gonna make my husband dump it out. Take a look at how dirty it is. So we have the door that's already done. And then it's not super bad, like it definitely needs wiped out. But first I'm going to shut this because I hate leaving it open super long. So I'm gonna go through all of this and throw out anything that is old. God, a lot of it's still condiments. Ugh. I've got my work cut out for me. Ugh. I made it. Okay, so I went through the food. My camera died. So now we have a little bit of charge. So now I just need to wipe things down and start putting everything back. Moment of truth. Ta-da! We are clean! I had to add a couple more things over there because I found more alcohol. I don't want to throw it away, but I have way too much dairy. Got all the drinks, some watermelon, fruits, veggies, got meats and stuff on the top, cheese. Maybe I will have energy to tackle the freezer. Okay. I have decided I have energy to do the freezer. I'm gonna have to work fast though because my husband's gonna be home in like 20 minutes and he gets really weird if like I'm cleaning right when he gets home because he wants to relax, but if I'm cleaning he feels guilty that I'm cleaning and then has to clean. So I want to give him a break. And I'm also gonna have to work fast because it is actually pretty hot in here right now. So I'm gonna have to like pull stuff out, check it, get it back before everything starts melting. So, ready, set, go! Lots of frozen peas. I think everything is good. I would like to take like the giant Costco bags of veggies and like portion them out into Ziplocs so I can just like grab them and cook them. Yeah, I think everything's fine. And I know how this happened too. So I go to the store and I'm like, oh, I'm making this and then I wouldn't have checked the freezer to know if I have any left, I'd be like, oh, I think I have a little bit, but probably not enough. So then I end up using the new bag instead of the old bag, which is a really bad habit. So, let's get the big ones back in. Okay, so it is a little while later again. My husband just got home, so he is in his room recording, and let me show you what the freezer looks like. Okay, here we go. Here's the final product. So it's not as pretty as I would like it. It's not quite the organizational inspiration that I'd like to be seeing. But I did get all of my kind of open veggies here so they're easier to get to. And then things that aren't open are in the back. So hopefully we'll be less likely to repeat the same mistakes and I can organize it further as we go. Generally speaking, this was kind of a pain in the butt, but it was something that just needed to happen. I'm thinking next time I organize it, I might try to get some bins or something to organize things a little better. Maybe reorganize the cabinets that are behind me, something like that, because I just want to keep paring down and making things more efficient. So, as always, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and remember to hit that bell notification so you know when I'm posting videos, and I post videos every single Monday and Thursday. So, I really appreciate it. I just saw a couple seconds ago that I passed 50 subscribers, which is, not much for most YouTubers, but it's a ton for me, and I really appreciate it. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks!